Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. I'm not making a meal today as much as I'm putting together a sauce that we use on many different meals. I'm making dan dan sauce. This is one of our favorite stir-fry meals and it goes great on chicken, vegetarian, and vegan stir-fries. It can also be used as a dipping sauce, so let's see what we're going to need. This is not a complicated sauce, and in fact all these ingredients listed here as well as in the description box below just go in a pan to simmer until the peanut butter melts and the whole sauce emulsifies. You can alter any of these ingredients to suit your taste, and in fact when the cameraman makes it, she likes it a little sweeter and a little spicier. This is also chicken broth. If you'd like to make it vegan or vegetarian, this can just be substituted for vegetable broth. So let's get this in a pan and get this sauce made. Normally when I'm making this sauce, it's for dan dan chicken. Now usually I leave it in the pan and not add it to the stir fry because it seems no two family members like the same amount of sauce. It's also a nice sauce just to have on hand in the refrigerator. It reheats very nicely, although it can break. Now if that does happen, just add a tablespoon or two of peanut butter and it should re-emulsify nicely. We're so glad you stopped by our kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family and keep up with us on Twitter and Facebook for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.